Welcome to this quick tutorial on conducting searches within Nexis Uni. To access Nexis Uni, select the link for the A to Z databases on the toolbar. Next, select the letter N and click on Nexis Uni. Today we're going to review how to conduct a general search. To begin, type your keyword phrase into the search field. My search phrase is utilizing the exact phrase search technique as well as Boolean operators. To learn more about search techniques, please see our Searching 101 tutorial. This search retrieved a result list of news articles, law reviews and journals, statutes and legislation, administrative codes and regulations, administrative materials, briefs, pleadings and motions, and directory sources. Selecting any of these options will allow you to review the documents as well as narrow your search further. For example, if I'm looking specifically for news articles, I will select to view the content under News. Once I've selected the document category, I can narrow my search further by conducting a keyword search within the results. I can also narrow down by selecting a specific time frame, limiting by location, publication type, subject, industry, or geography. I can select to view negative news or limit by specific source. Finally, I can select the language in which the publication was published or view articles written by a particular person. The result list is organized by relevance. However, you can sort your results by document title or by date. From the results page, you can view the document title, category, geographical location, word count, publication date, and source. Below this information is a preview of a section containing the keyword search. To the right, we can select to preview the document in full text. Clicking on a document title will take you to the full text. The full text will display the document title, the publication source, the publication date, copyright information, source type, word count, and the body of the document. Within the document, you can also export the citation, print, email, download, or save the document to your Google Drive account. If printing, you can view the document in a printer-friendly view as well. In the toolbar, we can select to view how many times our keywords appear within the document. We can also search within the document. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to catch our full Nexis Uni tutorial series.